Stay classy, Golden Eagles. This is going to be the last lesson, lesson number 4, with our book, a picture book of Harriet Tubman. So today is all about you guys inferencing from your own independent reading and then writing a journal entry that where you make inferences. So you're going to need to have up that same document that you had yesterday. It's the one titled A Picture Book of Harriet Tubman Student Worksheets. You can scroll up or down to where yesterday's lesson was or where it was on the second day, or you could go and look into your Google Drive. If you need a reminder on how to get to Google Drive, if you're in Google Classroom in the top right hand corner, there's a little icon that you guys have either taken a picture of yourself or you're using something that you chose. Click on it. When it drops down, there'll be a little triangle that says Drive underneath of it. Click that and you should find it very quickly on the recent stuff, okay? So what I want you to do is on that document, once you have it up, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of that document. It's page 3. Maybe it's on page 4 if you added a few things. But it says Day 4 Resources. And under that, guys, it has for you the directions of what I want you to do. I want you to read your journal, I want you to read your book of choice. It can be fiction, it could be nonfiction, but you need to find things to inference. So you need to go ahead and we'll just do this on the computer. Type out the complete title and the complete author's name, capitalizing the book title of the book, capitalizing the author's first and last name. And if the title is long, type it out. If there's multiple authors, type it out. Then I want you to give a brief summary of what what the book is about. This book is about the life of Harriet Tubman and her journey as a slave into getting her own freedom and then her life after gaining her freedom and helping other African Americans gain freedom. That's a quick summary. That was probably 2 sentences, okay? Now, then any questions that you may have about the text, and then the last one is whether your question was answered and how it was answered. So if you have a question before you get started about this text, or if you're like, man, I wonder what's going to happen with this character, go ahead and type that up, do your reading, and then come back and answer that last question. Does that make sense? So you're going to write a journal entry of 4+ sentences about the text you're reading. Please include and write this down on the page below: title, author, what the text is about. So do those, and then the last one, a why question about what you had about the text. So that's going to be 3 things you're going to do before you even start reading today. And then answer the question at the end, did it get answered? If it did, tell us the answer, okay? Then once you get all that done, go ahead and you've written your journal entry, you've completed the 2 inferences, what I read, what I inferred from yesterday, and then go ahead and click Turn In or Submit. And we all know how to do that at this point. As always, stay classy, Golden Eagles. I hope you enjoyed reading this. And then go ahead and make sure after you do this activity, go ahead and make sure you're reading 30 minutes a day. Epic Books Online is really good. You can also always reread books. Make sure for my class, you're keeping track of the books that you finish on the Outread Mr. Ferguson Challenge. Mr. Holt's class, stay classy. Mr. Ferguson's class, do the same.